What is up, guys? It's FreePips here. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to evaluate the trades that we took this week with you, the reasons behind the trades, and how you can also use the confluences to take trades yourself. So without much ado, let's go straight into it. Alright, so I will start with XAUUSD. XAUUSD, we on Monday, the whole of this week, I was waiting for a buy here, a buy at this zone. Yes, we got about 100 pips. Price gave us about 100 pips. Let me go to like 15 minutes to show you. We got 100 pips move here. We took a buy here, and we had about 100 pips. And we had this retracement. So majority of the community members broke even. You can see in the Telegram group, I gave a buy on BTC USD. Let me look for it on XAUUSD. Let me look for it and show it to you. Where is it? It's down here. Yes, with this setup, we only had 50 pips. We only had 100 pips. We had 100 pips, and you see, when price did not obey our point of interest, and it got breached, so it gave us only 100 pips. So majority of the traders broke even, and those who do set and forget also hit stop loss. So currently we are still holding the buy on XAUUSD. Why are we in the buy? This zone got breached, and before price can turn to a sell structure, we have to clear this low. This low needs to be cleared. Unless this low get cleared, then we will be looking for sell movement. If not, then we will still keep our bias bullish. And right now, if you go to FreePipsFX, there is this signal given on the platform. If you go to freepipsfx.com, XAUUSD is given on the platform for a buy move. So go to www.freepipsfx.com and go and check it out. The trade is still live, it's still active. So go and check it out and make use of this signal. Why are we looking for buys? You see, we are in bullish market from this range to this range. We are in bullish market. Why? Because we are breaking structures to the upside. Break of structure. Price is trending bullish. Break of structure. And all of this zone acting as liquidity. Now liquidity is cleared. So this is the last demand zone that we expect to hold price to push to the upside. So that is why we are looking for a buy, and with this buy, it should go and clear the high over here. Alright, so that is basically the reason why we are looking for the buy. Now let's go to USDJPY. Alright, USDJPY, we are currently in a buy market right now. I've given this signal where we are running in profit right now. Okay, we are running in profit. It's on the free Telegram community. This is it. This is a trade, and the setup for the trade is this. Why did I give this setup? Let me go to the chat and explain it. So if you're not part of this community, FreePips_FX Academy on Telegram, make sure you join us. Link will be at the description box. And also on our premium platform, which is freepipsfx.com, is a website where we provide signals over there. So go there and register and be using the signals available. They are high quality signals with high winning rate, so ensure you go and use it. Sign up now and scale up your trading journey with us. So we are in bullish market on USDJPY. Why? Because price is breaking structures to the upside. This is a break of structure to the upside. And where is the demand zone of the break of structure? This is also an internal break of structure. Okay, and the low of the break of structure is this, which is our liquidity, and the demand zone for the buy is this zone. Okay, price has come to mitigate this. If I go to 1 hour, you can see there is another block mitigation. So our first take profit is at this demand zone, at this supply zone here. Then we expect price to break it and come and take this high. If this high gets taken, then we've had a strong structure shift for a bullish market. That is why our first trade is at this zone. Okay, our first target is here, and we expect price to take this high. The moment we break the high, this high to here, then we will have a market structure shift, and any pullback will lead to a buy. Alright, so that is why we are taking the buy on USD/JPY. Okay, now let's move on to GBP/USD. This was an amazing trade. I'm still holding this trade. My stop loss is around this area. Let me show it to you in the Telegram group. See, this is the chart. This is the trade. I took it at the bottom here. And here is my stop loss. Now we've had a retracement to this side and price has pulled up, and I'm still holding the trade. And this was the before of the setup, and then the after of the setup. This is Euro USD. Where's GBP USD? And the after of the setup. Okay, so why did I take this trade? I took this trade in the 15 minutes time frame. How was I able to come up with this amazing entry? You see that I had already given an overall perspective on GBP USD, overall outlook on GBP USD, where we are looking for a massive pull to the upside to 1.400. You see, this is weekly time frame analysis. No trader does this. So if you get someone who can do it for you like this, you have to make sure every information he gives you, you follow it and then make use of that information. So I've given the overall perspective on BTC, GBP USD. So I always want to look for buy opportunities and avoid any sell. Okay, so the reason why I got the buy was many people, because here is a supply zone, many traders were looking for sales. But one thing is, because I had analyzed the weekly chart, so I know where price was heading to. And look, we have a break of structure, an inducement, and an order block down here, another block mitigation. So what I did was, you see, whenever we have something like this, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, in between here is a strong resistance. You have to have, here is a strong resistance zone that whenever price retrace there, you should look for an entry from that zone. So here you see my line, my thin line was here. I waited for a candlestick rejection as a confirmation, and the moment I had the confirmation, and here is another block. So if I mark the other block, it is also valid. Okay, but my focus was on the thin line, waiting for price to reject on this thin line. And after seeing that thin line rejection, then I straight up entered the market, and here is the liquidity equal high here, and I checked the left side. Let me go to the 4 hour. The take profit was taken at the 4 hour, the take profit target, because I know where the market is actually going. The technical analysis, I knew where market will be going. So the take profit first was here, because we have equal highs, which is liquidity built here. So price definitely has to come and take this equal high. And I knew there will be a rejection from this supply zone, so I marked it, and then took my take profit. When you go to the 1 hour, you see we had a rejection here. So later on price broke it, then I knew that we are now going to the top. So my stop loss, I've been trailing my stop loss, and I told them I will hold if all things being equal. Here's where my stop loss is hiding here. All things being equal, if price is able to jump up, then I will be holding it and be trailing my stop loss. Okay, right now I don't have anything to lose on this trade. Full TP is hit, and price is even above my target. Okay, so that was how I took the buy on the trade. Let's go to Euro USD. Because I took the buy on GBP USD, I did the analysis on Euro USD, but I didn't execute. But trade has actually played out, because the entry was taken on GBP USD. I didn't want to take another trade. The same strategy, the same concept happened on Euro USD. The concept that happened on GBP USD happened on Euro USD. So a break of structure, order block, inducement, liquidity, boom, buy. And on GBPJPY, on the platform, I took a sell here. We made 1:1 risk to reward. I took a sell here. The moment price got here, I took a sell. We made 1:1. Those who broke even had a break even. Those who took profit had a take profit. Okay, so right now this trade, I missed it. I don't know if I should still hold it or not, but I'll wait for, if whenever price comes here, I'll wait for a reaction. Why am I looking for a buy from there? We are trending down here for lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high. When price got here, it's respected that zone, and then finally broke it and gave us a liquidity inducement. So I was expecting price to sweep the liquidity here, but it swept it very tiny. It swept it with a little wick. Was expecting a deep sweep, but that didn't happen, and price went my direction. All right, so that is it. Yes, this amazing trade that I couldn't take. I actually forgot I did analysis on AUD USD, but I sent the trade to the community members. This was it. This was the chart analysis. So a break of structure, a market structure shift. This hole down here were full of liquidity, so I was just waiting for price to come here to tap me in, then I take the buy. I think I sent it on 3rd June. Yes, 3rd June, and it played out. What is the date? Played out 24th June. Okay, and now price take full TP. Okay, so guys, this is the trades we've taken so far. Yes, remaining BTC USD. Where's the boy? Oh, BTC, why are you? Let me go and look for BTC USD. Yes, BTC USD crypto. BTC USD. Okay, this is BTC USD, and now we are currently in a buy market. Price was messing up us here. At first, I gave a sell when we got this bearish engulfing. Let me show you. When we got this bearish engulfing, I was expecting a sell to this demand zone. So my stop loss was here. We had some little profit. Because here was a whole demand zone, a whole supply zone, and price gave me a bearish engulfing. Okay, and I took a sell. I gave it in the Telegram community, but we hit stop loss on this. And when I go to the 15 minute, at the 15 minute, I saw an amazing entry model here at the 15 minute, but that one too did not work. See, there is what we called breaker block entry. Well, I saw it in the I think 5 minutes. Breaker block entry. There is a liquidity sweep down here. And first pullback after this market structure shift. This was the first pullback, and then here was my entry, and stop loss was here, and I was targeting the top side, right, somewhere here. But so unfortunate, he gave us some profit. He gave us some few profit here. He had some few profit here, and then price took a turn. And took us out. So this week we've taken 2 losses on on BTC USD, a sell and a buy. Okay, but now we've recovered all the losses. Let me go to 1 hour. We've recovered all the losses with amazing profit. This is currently the trade we are in now. I gave a buy here. Why did I give this buy? What was the reason why I gave this buy? You see, I had already performed the overall analysis on BTC USD, where I'm looking for a strong buy move, this is a breaker block inducement and looking for price to trend to the upside. So the whole perspective on BTC USD is now bullish. It's now bullish. I'm not looking for anything bearish. So if per this concept, I now know where price is heading to. So when I use this breaker block here as my support zone, price bouncing off. You see, if you are a supply and demand trader, you would think price will buy from here. But the only point is, earlier on I was literally looking for whatever will happen here, but what saved me was marking this breaker block and price reacting to it. And finally I got a buy confirmation. Here, where this bullish impulsive strong move, bullish engulfing candlestick, this one formed by breaking the high here, and then waited for price to retrace down, then straight up I gave the buy for BTC USD. And here was the TP1 already hit. Now TP2 is around here. Okay, so let me show you the setup. This is the setup, and TP1 is already hit. Now heading to TP2 right now. Okay, so if you're not part of the Telegram community, make sure you join the Telegram community, and also the amazing platform that I provide most of the ultimate signals there is freepipsfx.com. Let me show you. This is it. So far we've taken 10 trades, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We've had 6 wins and 4 losses. The losses could have been break-evens. Okay, like we will run in profit and price will retrace. So if you know how to make use of break-evens, I don't think this would have been loss for you. But if you do set and forget, then you will take loss on this. These losses would affect you. But we've had 1 2 3 4 5 6 wins out of 4, where minimum of the trades would be 1:1. TP1 is always 1:3. So the minimum you can get on each trade is 1:1. Okay, so this is the performance so far ever since this platform was launched, like 2 weeks ago. And these are the services on the platform. Choose your plan, free trial for 3 days, and we have monthly, which is very affordable, $50, and 3 months $100, and 5 months $200. If I were you, I would take the 5 month or 12 month. It's very cheap. Okay, so if you are new to the platform, all that you have to do is you go to the sign up. You will enter your full name, your email, your mobile number, and confirm your password and a whole lot. If you already have an account, you just log in. Then you get to see the signals available, the dashboard. If your subscription is over, then you receive this notice. You currently do not have an active subscription, or subscription has ended. Please subscribe to continue enjoying our services. So this is my personal account on the platform. So if I want to subscribe, you click on subscribe. You have $50, $100. Select any of the plan and make your payment. As simple as that. So we currently have 2 active signals. Okay, the trade histories are available. If you go to trade histories, these are all the trade histories. Okay, the TP, the stop losses, all are here. The trades explanation, analysis note, trade reasons or confluences are here. All the trades are here. We've taken amazing trades. Especially this gold. It was crazy. So make sure you go to freepipsfx.com and then sign up today. All right. So basically this is the breakdown of all the trades. And now, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe. You know, it's very late in Dubai. It's 11:45 p.m. and I'm recording this, so I'm even feeling sleepy. You can see my eyes very red. All right, so guys, see you next time. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. On Instagram is freepips_x. On TikTok is freepips_x. And what else? On X it is _I am Freeman. So follow me on all social media platforms, and you're going to love the journey with me. All right, until then, peace out.